In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Shopify dropshipping store of TikTok's second most followed personality by the name of Khaby Lame. I'm going to show you how the second most followed person on TikTok is making well over $53,000 every single month by selling on his Shopify dropshipping store. Check out catalyst.com, which is my e-commerce platform, and you can start your own dropshipping store for absolutely free for the first 7 days. And after the 7 days have elapsed, then you can pick a paid plan and start running and scaling your dropshipping store. Khaby Lame goes by khabyshop.com. We have an extension here that we can use to check from which platform is this website built on. So as you can see, it runs on a Shopify theme, and it also has the My Shopify subdomain here by khabyshop.myshopify.com. Khaby Lame shop is actually built on Shopify platform. As you can see, it has a really dedicated theme, and you won't find a lot of stores on Shopify that are using this similar theme. So the first thing we need to do is use a Chrome extension here that is going to tell us which applications are currently running on this store, so that you can also use this from your end, because Khaby Lame has invested a lot in terms of this store, and as you can see, he normally pushes his dropshipping store a lot on his TikTok page as well as YouTube. So as you can see, this e-commerce store is built on Shopify. Then the next thing we need to do is to check the apps that he's using. So for analytics, he's using Klaviyo, that is for sending out emails. Then we have Google Analytics. Then we have Pagefly, which is a conversion optimization. Then we have marketing automation by Binoculars. Then we have Red Retarget, which is retargeting and remarketing. So works similarly to Facebook retargeting using the Facebook pixel here that he's also using. Then we have the global site tag. Alright, then he also has a Shopify custom theme. Now, once your store scales out further, you need to try and look into getting a custom theme, because if you're going to use the basic themes that are provided in Shopify, then your store is definitely going to look like any other store. Then we have Snap Pixel for Shopify. This is to assist in marketing. Then also, as you can see here, he's pulling reviews using this early reviews app. So the good thing about having reviews on your Shopify dropshipping store, because this is going to provide proof to your customers that they can go ahead and purchase products from your store. So I'll leave a link in the description for my favorite review pulling app from AliExpress that you can incorporate into your Shopify dropshipping store, and you'll be able to pull reviews from AliExpress, and these are going to convince customers to go ahead and make the actual purchase. Okay, then we come to the most important part here. It's the payment. So as you can see, Khaby Lame is using Apple Pay to receive payments. Then he has the standard PayPal and the PayPal button as well. He also accepts credit card payments using American Express, MasterCard, and the most popular one here, which is Visa. So this is also some extra additional coding here that he has added into this, and you can also add this using the Shopify basic plan. But for these ones as well, you need maybe to have the advanced plan so that you are able to add some extra functionalities using this coding. But for a new Shopify dropshipping store, you can go along with what is provided on the basic plan, so you do not need to incorporate a lot of code. Then the email hosting providers, we have the Shopify hosted email. So this is very crucial and is also available in the basic plan, whereby Shopify will send out retargeting emails to people who added items to cart so that they can go ahead and make the purchase. Then as you can see, he also has an SSL certificate. So the essence of having the SSL certificate here, as you can see at the top here next to the domain, we have this sort of padlock here. We have this padlock here. Now this is going to be very crucial if your site or if your Shopify dropshipping store is accepting payments. So this is going to show the customers that this is a secure website. So remember, if you do not have a secure SSL certificate, you're going to get something that flags not secure here, and that is going to discourage customers from completing a purchase on your Shopify dropshipping store. So as you can see, these are the apps that are currently running on this store, so you could really look into this as well. Then the important factor here, he has added extra languages. So we have German, we have English, that is the standard default English. Then we have the French, we also have Hindi, we have Italian, and we have Portuguese. So as you can see from his store here, he's mentioned that there is express worldwide shipping, so that's why he's incorporated a number of languages so that he's able to cater for the wide market all over the world. So let's take a look at the most selling product in this store by Khaby Lame. So we're going to use another Chrome extension so that we're able to see which is the product that sells the most. Then we're going to use the average price that we have here. So his store has an average price of $28.50. So we're going to use this average price to determine how much he is doing in sales every single month. So the highest price on the Khaby Lame Shopify Dropshipping store is $59.90, and the lowest price is $5.49. Let's take a look at all the products that are currently listed in the Khaby Lame shop. So we have the comfy hoodie, we have a t-shirt here as well, then we have sweatshirts, we have hoodies. So majority are clothing items, and then the others you now have are the basic AliExpress products that we normally see, and we're going to take a look at those as well. But so we have the Khaby charger, that is the Khaby charger as well, which is a top trending product on AliExpress. Then we have the Khaby juicer, which is a trending product as well in AliExpress. So let's take a look at the Khaby juicer here so that you are able to see the products is selling. So that goes to show you that if a celebrity is also selling this product as well, then it's a product that can go viral for you. So this product is very much available on AliExpress, and if you check out AliExpress, let's go to AliExpress to see how much he's actually getting this product from AliExpress. And now the good thing, I believe he's getting this product directly from Alibaba because he's doing this in bulk. So let's check for the juicer and see how much he's getting this product from AliExpress. Now as you can see, we have the manual juicer at $2.99. As you can see, he's selling this product at $29.90. That is the Khaby juicer, but this product you can actually get it from AliExpress at $2.99. So the profit margin there is very huge. Let's check if the product has free shipping or what the product is shipping at. So the product is shipping at $4.38. So actually Khaby Lame is getting this product for roughly just under $7. If he's getting the product for just under $7 and he's selling the product for $29, then it means that he's actually getting a profit margin of $22. And remember, he has well over 120 million followers on TikTok, so he's not paying any advertising fees. So this is actually $22 in profit for each and every product that he sells from pushing on his TikTok audience. You can check out AliExpress and start maybe drop shipping this product as well. As you can see, it's very cheap and you can mark up the price as high as you actually want. Initially he was selling the popcorn machine, so which is sold out. So this means that this product has highly been bought, and maybe he's having issues with shipping or getting fulfillment for this product. Let's see if this product you can actually get it as well on AliExpress, the popcorn machine, because if it's sold out on Khaby Lame's Shopify dropshipping store, then it means that probably this product was in high demand. So let's head over to AliExpress and let's search for popcorn machine. So in AliExpress you should definitely get every product. Now this is the same product that Khaby Lame is selling on his Shopify dropshipping store. So you can check out this one selling for $8, which is the cheapest. So if this product you are getting it for around $8, as you can see, Khaby Lame was selling this product for $39.90. So if you're getting this product for around $8.75, remember the customer will cater for the shipping of this product. Let's take a look at the best selling product so that we know which product is actually selling for Khaby. So we have the t-shirts, and I believe this is doing this on print on demand because it's the easiest way to start a t-shirt business on Shopify by just incorporating a print on demand service like Printful or Printify, and I've shared links in the description if you want to incorporate a print on demand service into a Shopify store and start printing and selling out t-shirts, then you can check the links in the description for Printful and Printify and start your t-shirt business on Shopify. So as you can see, the products he's selling is the Khaby charger, the popcorn machine, and also the t-shirts here as well. So, and the Khaby juicer as well. So he has 5 top selling products, and 2 of these, actually three of these products are dropshipping products that you can find on AliExpress and start selling on your Shopify dropshipping store. So let's take a general overview of the store and see what we can actually take from this store that we can incorporate in our own personal Shopify dropshipping stores, and we can actually improve our own stores based on what we are seeing from the Khaby store here. So as you can see, the website is not really complicated. We only have a few menus, and they do stand out in the store. Also, we have a logo that incorporates the brand of Khaby, and if you check this logo, you'll just remember that this is a Khaby shop. And as you can see, he is not complicated, the logo, so it's just Khaby with the stand out logo here. Then we have the official shop. Then as well, we have the announcement tab here. So for some people, they do not prefer using this, but I'd advise you to start using the announcement tab. By using the announcement tab, it gives the customer a welcome into your website, and it directly tells the customer what is needed or what the customer can get from this website. So as you can see here, it says express worldwide shipping. So if anybody from the entire world, and this applies to Khaby because he has a multitude of followers, 120 million followers on TikTok, and these are not specifically from one country. So he has added this express worldwide shipping. So this is to let everybody know that no matter where you're placing your order from, this product will definitely get to you. And because that's why he's added this there, and this adds the comfort when you come into your website, because you know, even if you purchase this product, the product is actually going to get to you because they provide express worldwide shipping. So you can look into incorporating the announcement tab and make it shortened, so it shouldn't be really complicated. So the next one is, as you can see here, it does not have huge banners here. So majority of the people go with the huge banners that make the store become really complicated. So as you can see, he's incorporated his brand signature, which everybody knows of, the hands here. So you also want to tie down your store to what people actually know you for. So it says in Khaby shop you will find viral products to make your life easier. So it's the official Khaby Lame store. And now the good thing about this, he's been able to tie this to TikTok. So as you all know, TikTok is where everything goes viral. So as you can see here, it says where you will find viral products, and that is correct because many people are going to land on this website. Majority of them, the traffic source is normally TikTok, so they are going to relate because on TikTok is where you find viral products, and in the Khaby Lame shop is where you're going to find viral products. So it really ties to his brand on TikTok as well. Then here he has his core items in regards to this shop. So in regards to this shop, so we have learn from Khaby, new weekly products. You'll find products that will make your life easier and more fun. So here, as you can see from the introduction of this website, it's very simple and straight to the point. No complicated wordings, no complicated banners and images. Make it easier for your customer to come and buy. Then the next one here, we have a sort of a featured product. So by featured product, and Shopify allows you on the basic plan whereby you can feature a product at the very top of your website, and this is the first thing that majority of the people will be able to see once they do land on your home page. So here he has a featured product, which is this the best comfy hoodie, similar to products that are sold by a company known as Hoodie from Australia. Then we also have discover fantastic products, and the good thing about this as well, he has also used himself as the image in majority of the pictures. Now this creates familiarity because many people are aware of Khaby, and once they do come to the website and they see the products are featured and are being worn by Khaby himself, then it creates an extra sense of being an actual follower of Khaby, and people are going to convert based off of this because maybe he entertains them on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and they're going to support his work because they want to purchase something that belongs to their favorite creator. So here we also have the t-shirt designs. So they have the brand that has been created by Khaby. Then at the bottom of the page we have the about us page. Now it's really important to add the about us page because it lets everybody know who is the actual owner of the website or the Shopify dropshipping store, and what the website entails and what you can expect once you come to this website. Let's go to the product page itself to see if what the product page itself looks like, and if it's actually assisting in terms of adding the number of sales that this store is actually generating. This is the most crucial part here, is clicking the add to cart button. Yeah, so he says express shipping worldwide, then money back guarantee. That is, if you do not like the product itself, you get to receive your money right back once you ship the return package. Then it's the official Khaby Lame website. Now this is something, because there are a lot of copycats out there that are using Khaby Lame's name to maybe sell products out there. So it says it's the official Khaby Lame website. Then the add to cart button is very loud and it's shouting loud here. It's in red and red background and a white font here, so it really stands out, and it gives the customer the direction on where he or she needs to do that. Then also in terms of pictures, he has made it very simple. He's just used one image here. It's him. You're buying the product because of Khaby Lame. You're not buying the product, so you're buying the product due to the influence that Khaby Lame has on social media. So that's why he has one single big product picture here, and you go with that as it is. Then we also have a GIF here of Khaby Lame using the product or wearing the product, and as you can see, he has incorporated what he does on TikTok. In terms of the description here, he has very easy to read and very easy to understand descriptions. So to check the traffic for this website, we need to check using a Chrome extension here. So just going to click on the Chrome extension, and it's going to auto generate the total number of monthly visitors that this store normally gets. So as you can see, we have 187,000 monthly visits. We're going to use this 187,000 monthly visits to determine the total number of sales Khaby Lame is doing on his Shopify dropshipping store. So the average price for the Khaby Lame Shopify dropshipping store is $28.50. So we also have 187,000. Those are the total number of visitors who visit this store. Then normally the conversion on a Shopify dropshipping store is 1 to 2%. We are going to go on the lower end and just use 1% as the average conversion rate for this website. So we're going to multiply this by 1%, then we're going to divide this by 100. So roughly we have 1,870 people who actually make a purchase or buy something on this store owned by Khaby Lame. So if these 1,870 people are purchasing a product on this store, then they are going to purchase it roughly for $28.50. So we're going to multiply that by $28.50. So roughly on a month-to-month basis, Khaby Lame is doing well over $53,295 in sales on his Shopify dropshipping store. This is being done without any advertising spend because he's pushing his traffic through his social media sites. So it's the profit margin for this one is insane because he's not paying for any advertising cost.